In this video, I'm going to show you how to share full screen reels on Instagram story. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Now let's start with the tutorial. The first thing that you'll need to do is to head over to your Instagram and head over to the Reels section. And here, go ahead and look for a reel that you want to repost on your story. Now, on your selected reel, go ahead and hit on the share button. And here, go ahead and click on the copy link button. This will allow you to copy the link of this Instagram reel. After that, head over to Repost. So Repost is an application that will allow you to add that video in full screen on your story. So as you can see in here, the link that I've copied will be pasted on Repost automatically. Now go ahead and hit on that video. Now in here, you can select if you'll add this to your story, send direct message to someone, or post it to your feed. Go ahead and click on add to story, and this will redirect you to Instagram. And as you can see in here, that Instagram reel is now available to be posted as a full video reel on your story. Now, once you're done, click on the next button and click on share to proceed sharing this as your Instagram story. And that's how you can simply share full screen reels on Instagram story. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.